everyone, assalamu alaikum. Again we are back. As usual, Mihan is with me. Today we are going to know about body parts name. So are you ready, Mihan?
Yes.
Okay, at first is chul,
Hair.
matha,
Head.
মাথার খুলি,
Skin.
কান,
Ear.
okay, চোখ,
Eyes.
চোখের পাপড়ি,
Eyelash.
চোখের ভ্রু,
Eyebrow.
কপাল,
Forehead.
গাল,
Cheek.
নাক,
Nose.
ঠোঁট,
Lip.
দাঁত,
Teeth.
জিহ্বা,
Tongue.
মুখমণ্ডল,
Face.
গলা,
Throat.
কাঁধ,
Shoulder.
বাহু,
Arm.
বগল,
Armpit.
খনুই,
Elbow.
হাত,
Hand.
হাতের আঙুল,
Finger.
হাতের তালু,
Thumb.
নখ,
Nail.
বুক,
Chest.
পেট,
Belly.
নখ মানে নাভি,
Nipple.
ওকে, পিঠ,
Backside.
কোমর,
Waist.
পা,
Leg.
হাঁটু,
Knee.
পায়ের পাতা,
Foot.
পায়ের আঙুল,
Toe.
পায়ের গোড়ালি,
Hip.
দেহ,
Body.
রক্ত,
Blood.
মাংস,
Flesh.
কঙ্কাল,
Skeleton.
হাড়,
Bone.
ত্বক.
Skin.
Okay, that's for today. Okay, give me a high five. It's very nice. It was very nice. Can you dance the happy happy?
Happy.
Okay, so I actually accidentally said knock for Nabi. So can forgive me, please?
Spider.
Can you?
He's here.
Okay, spider is here. Okay.
Spider
Okay, that's end for today.
Spider-Man.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.